Hi, welcome to Blue & Company's office in Lexington, Kentucky. My name is Alice Swethington and I am one of the administrative assistants. Whether you're looking to apply to Blue or you've just accepted an offer, let me give you a quick peek inside our office. I'm excited to show you around. Welcome to Lexington Financial Center at 250 West Main Street. Blue is on the 29th floor of the building's 31 floors. Blue occupies the entire 29th floor of the building, which means we have the best views of Lexington. We have 3 conference rooms and 1 large training room. We are able to accommodate various size groups from client meetings to employee trainings and group work. We have 3 hoteling offices that can be reserved for Blue employees visiting our office to use a similar space to their local office. In our office, we have a well-stocked kitchen with snacks and drinks that everyone has access to. Just past our office's coffee bar is our calendar where we share upcoming events, work anniversaries, and more. This is also where staff members have the opportunity to shout out their coworkers for jobs well done. In our training room, we often gather for lunch, holiday parties, and more. The time spent gathered in here really brings the Lexington office together as one. The center of the office has cubicles for those in administrative positions, as well as staff and senior accountants. The perimeter has offices for managers, senior managers, and directors. Lexington is a lively city with plenty of restaurants and nightlife downtown. We are all Blue fans here as the University of Kentucky is a few blocks from the office. And it wouldn't be Kentucky without some horses. Our office takes an annual outing to the Keeneland Racetrack as well as working with several nearby horse farms. Thanks for joining me on this quick tour of our office here in Lexington. And thanks for your interest in Blue.